CCTV cameras not only capture incidents involving people, they can provide a lot of interesting and unusual footage featuring animals. Thanks to it, we can see a bear that failed to deal with chickens, animal thieves, deer in love, and even see what unusual things the pets do when we're away. In this episode, I'll show you these and other animal moments caught on CCTV camera. Bears may be a lot closer than you think. This footage shows a bear entering a private property and taking an interest in a chicken coop. At first, it was just studying it, and then it started gnawing on it and trying to open it. This was not successful and the bear moved away. With the second approach, progress was made. It gradually began to destroy the chicken coop as suddenly it was afraid of something and ran away. It turned out that the owner of the house and the chicken coop saw the bear on the camera and frightened it with a scream. This was enough to discourage the bear from attacking the chickens. And here's another bear. The homeowner suspected that bears often came to his property and hid under the porch, as there were bitten beams and footprints. He set a camera there and his fears were confirmed. He now knows that bears are frequent guests at his house. But how will he deal with it? And here's another guest. No bear this time. This lizard was the curious visitor. It began to examine the CCTV camera installed into the doorbell. It licked it several times, stopped to see where it would lead, but realized it was pointless. Well, now at least it'll know what a camera and doorbell are. In general, doorbell cameras are set to see who has come to the house. They can also catch burglars and thieves. Speaking of thieves, in this video they broke into the house. Two cheeky magpies got inside and started strutting around the kitchen. The pets suffered the most from these thieves, as the birds brazenly pecked at their food. After a little refreshment, the magpies left the house. Okay, let them eat pet food. But animals don't just get into houses for that. For example, here a CCTV camera caught two dogs. The accomplices approached the house with a clear plan. One stood guard and watched the witnesses, and the other was pulling the job. The dark dog snatched a toy spider. It was a Halloween decoration. As soon as the job was done, the tailed criminals ran away. They did everything almost perfectly, but they didn't take care of the camera. Now they'll be put on the dog's wanted list. I think those dogs are going to share a cell with this raccoon. The thief was doing his thing right in front of the security camera. It didn't realize it'd be spotted because it didn't know the camera had night vision mode. The raccoon decided to pull off a big job. It stole an entire bag of cat food that weighed 29 pounds. By the way, raccoons themselves usually weigh less than 20 pounds. But that didn't stop the raccoon. Gradually, it dragged the bag of food farther and farther away, and soon it hid under the porch. Or maybe it was bringing food to that bear that likes to live under the porch. If so, we've solved the case. I gotta say, that raccoon did great work. Lugging a heavy bag like that all by itself is pretty cool. But not all raccoons are so agile and strong. For example, here the camera caught a very clumsy predator. The chubby raccoon saw the camera and really wanted to get to it, but it couldn't get on the table. It tried to approach from different sides and angles, tried to pull itself up or climb the table with the help of a wall, but nothing worked. Eventually, the raccoon just gave up and started to walk away. But so that people would not think that it was a weakling, it demonstrated its power by easily climbing up the vertical beam. Maybe the tables are just not his specialty. A guy and a girl spent a romantic evening in the pool. Nothing foretold trouble, and suddenly an alligator decided to join them. The dangerous reptile flew into the pool at full speed and, of course, frightened the guy and the girl. The guy immediately jumped out, and the reptile tried to attack the girl. The attack was successful. The alligator caught the girl a bit, but fortunately she managed to get out. Her injuries were not serious, and she's fine. And what about the alligator? I don't know what happened to it, but at least for a while the pool was only at its disposal. The owners of this house were clearly shocked when they saw the broken door. I'm sure they were beginning to think there were burglars in the house, but when they saw the security camera footage, everything fell into place. Turns out it was a bear that broke in. Look how easily it kicked the door in. And notice how the bear held it. It doesn't seem to be the first time it's done this. The bear wasn't interested in anything in the house. It left literally 5 seconds after it got inside. I think it was just checking to see if anyone was home. Sometimes CCTV cameras capture something unusual and even mysterious. In this case, I'm talking about a strange beast. Look at how this something ran under the camera at a tremendous speed. Because of this, it's hard to understand what exactly it was in the first place. There are many assumptions: wild cat, raccoon, coyote, and even a rabbit. What do you think? Which creature did the camera capture? One of them or a mystical creature at all? Share your thoughts in the comments. Traffic cameras are needed to record violations, but it's not always possible. For example, a seagull could cover the camera. The bird sat like that for quite a long time, and during this time, drivers on the left side of the highway could violate as much as they wanted. The camera would hardly identify the violator. The owl did the same thing, by the way, only it chose not a busy section of the road with no cars. It seems that it just wanted a moment of attention and fame on the internet, and it got it. It's not uncommon to install CCTV cameras in homes in order to be able to keep an eye on pets. People have known about it for a long time. But for pets, it's an incomprehensible device. No wonder this dog reacted the way it did when it heard its owner's voice through the camera. It began to turn its head and try to understand how it's even possible. How is its owner communicating with it through this thing? Or maybe it thought that the owner had turned into a camera and would stay that way forever. All in all, its mind was blown. Some dogs, on the contrary, have already learned to use the benefits of technology. This dog, named Lucy, is very independent. She opens the door herself to go for a little walk around the neighborhood, but she can't go back inside. But she's learned to use the doorbell. Lucy rings the doorbell, and her owner opens the door for her. CCTV cameras in the house can also show what our beloved pets do in our absence. A Dachshund and a Husky live here. When their owner leaves, the Dachshund just rests quietly, but the Husky starts to go crazy. It stands on the poof or sofa and starts barking. Toward the end of the video, the Husky started howling as if it wanted to become a wolf or a werewolf. And someone is more interested in spending time in a human way, so to speak. These two bulldogs love to watch movies with animals and react to them. No matter if a cat or dogs are shown on TV, the dogs start barking and try to shout at them through the screen. Usually, if there are two pets living in a house, they get closer, start to become friends, and help each other. But here we have a completely different situation. The cat saw the dog chewing on the TV remote and pointed the camera at it to set the dog up. Now the owners will know for sure that the cat had nothing to do with it and that the dog is to blame. It's no secret that dogs wait for their owners at home and are very happy when they finally return. Cats do it too, but as if without the same enthusiasm. However, there are exceptions. This cat heard the sound of the opening door, went to the entrance, and very warmly greeted its beloved owner. The cat laid down at his feet, asked the owner to take it on his arms, stretched out, and happily put its belly. This is the highest degree of trust. Animals also want to be beautiful, like people, and are ready to do a lot for the sake of beauty. For example, here we see an ordinary barbershop. An employee is cutting a man's hair, another client's waiting, and suddenly a third client appears. A deer literally flew into the salon through the glass, shattered it to pieces, and scared everyone. For some time, the deer remains behind the camera. Suddenly, sounds are heard again, and it appears. The horned creature took her straightener and escaped. Apparently, the deer is a professional barber itself, so it can handle it on its own. These deer are not at all as rambunctious as their congener from the previous video. They don't want to be in a hurry or aggressive at all. They just want to be with each other. The camera captures something of a kiss between the deer. Besides, one of them is courting the other, sniffing and checking its fur. It's cute. When the owners of this CCTV camera received a notification of movement near the camera, I'm sure they didn't expect it to be a snake. The slithering creature climbed higher and appeared from above. I hope it crawled away and didn't hurt anyone, because sometimes this can happen. In this footage, the man returns to his home, nothing portends trouble, everything's calm, when suddenly a snake appears and bites his eye. It was really unexpected. Well, at least the snake turned out to be non-venomous, and the bite wasn't very powerful, so everything ended fine. And this surveillance camera apparently stands idle. Nothing special happens in this place. The camera's not much needed, so the spider thought to take this place for its cobweb. In the speeded up video, we can see the process of creating a beautiful cobweb. It only took the spider about 20 minutes to build its trap here, and here's its congener. It decided to go even further and weaved a real work of art. look how big and beautiful the cobweb is. Now the spider has only to wait until some insect arrives to take a look at this work. That's all, guys. Which moment did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you later.